Okay, guys, hello. Freezing. I don't know what's Friday or Saturday. I have one descent behind me. My hands are shaking. I decided to try some off-roading because eventually I would like to try snow. And today it's just freezing, so the traction should be pretty good. Yeah, and we will see. We have first ascent in here, so wish me luck. And remember, I have a classic motorbike. This is not a dirt bike. Also, my skills are very limited, so even though on the video it might seem boring, it won't be boring for me definitely. And this part in front of me is quite challenging, I would say. Okay. We stand. A little bit backward. Okay. I will have to go through that route, I guess. Get on my foot pegs because my legs are pretty low. Okay, and then you go like this. Okay, so this is very not the way how to do it, but anyway. Yes. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. That was tough for me. And for my Honda CL500. Oh. Now it should be okay.